Hey friends, if you encounter the issue where you receive the error, disk management could not start virtual disk service, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So here's what you have to do. You have to search for services in the Windows search bar and open services. Now this list is in alphabetical order, so we will scroll down to V to find virtual disk, the virtual disk service. Okay, right click on the virtual disk service and select properties. Change the startup type to manual. Change the startup type to automatic. Click on start. Okay, so now it has started and it's automatic. Click on apply and then on OK, and then you can try to start disk management once again. Okay, search for disk management here and you will be able to access the same. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.